Jamie workout, early morning ride, me and the boys.
Yeah.
On our way to Michael's to go get some t-shirts to make some good money.
Moolah.
So t-shirts to go pick up at Michael's, and we'll be back at y'all once we get inside Michael's, grabbing the t-shirts, and then on our way back home to print these bad boys up.
Yep.
Jamie workout.
Big.
Andy, Fat Man, we love y'all.
Love you. Love you too.
What's up, bro?
Big baskets.
Purple.
Oh, that one bubble.
Oh, that's purple.
I ain't got no 2X's. Putting y'all up on game. It's the spot for the t-shirts. Michael's. Like this, gonna have to do two 2X's. One X, I mean. She can fit the one in the pink. All right, come on. Let me get this in y'all. All right, that's enough, right?
Okay.
One day later.
Monday morning at work, y'all want to see some nasty shit? Look at these geese or whatever you call them. How they do this parking lot. Filthy, disgusting. You gotta watch every step you take. Geese shit everywhere. That is so disgusting. You would think they'd be over there at their little swimming pool that they got, their pond, doing all that, but yeah, they tear the parking lot apart. Man, it's not even 9 a.m. and it's already starting to blaze outside. Man, at lunchtime I probably will not be out in this truck. Be inside in the good AC. Back at it. Another work week, Monday. Oh, man. Once we knock this day out, once we go home, we got dips, we got push-ups to do, and we also got four orders, a short outfit, and we got 3 t-shirts that we need to make for the You See Me press line. So if you're looking to learn how to run your own business, how to start your own business, if you got a like for fashion, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to make some fly t-shirts the You See Me press way. Big dog, big gorilla status. Jamie workout. You know how we do it. Big message for today. Believe in self. No one will believe in you like you believe in yourself. You know what you're capable of. You know what you're capable of accomplishing and doing. So do it. What you waiting on? Do it today. Make it happen for yourself. Believe in self. You got it. You can do it.
6 hours later.
You tired. You just get off of work. I'm tired too. I just get off of work. It's 100 degrees outside. It's 100 degrees here too. You still gotta put the work in. Just do 25. Give me 25. Give me 25 push-ups. Let's do it together. 25 clean push-ups. We all tired, but the work, it must continue.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Good job, Dad.
And we still got dips to do.
Yeah.
The work must continue.